What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and today we are going to go over why it is getting time to be a great time to start buying some crypto. Crypto hit a top and it came back down, hit another top, came back down, and now it is getting ready to be a good time to buy again before it goes up again. Now, if you already own some crypto, wonderful news. Time for you to average down, okay? Don't be so mad or displeased, because the long run, it is going to be a good return on your money. It is a very liquidable asset, and it is something that is just beginning, right? Before, let's say like 10 years ago, people didn't care about crypto. They didn't even look at it. Now, today, everybody's looking at crypto. Crypto is the future. Money in every country is pretty much becoming worthless, right? Inflation is through the roof, and we don't have easy access to gold to go buy gold, direct gold, easily. You actually have to physically drive to a store, buy the gold, and put your assets in that, and that puts a lot of hard work, right? Buying gold has a lot of work, right? The US dollar is just getting destroyed, right? CPI is about to be released this Wednesday, this March, this week, and you all know it is not going to be good, right? We just in February had CPI up 7.5%. I would not be shocked if inflation is now, CPI is about 8%, if not even more, right? Especially with the rocket prices of oil going up every single day, like 20 cents on the gallon every single day. Oil is going up. That is ridiculous, all right? Oil is definitely not the asset class you want to own, right? Even though it's going up tremendously, purchasing it for your car, it's not still the remote access type of asset you want to put your money into. But crypto is. And right now, because crypto is going down, it is a great buying opportunity. And we will go over in this video where is a good time to buy, which prices you should aim for, and where could be a possible time for you to sell if you are a short-term trader, right? And I can tell you this, the charts on this is insane. It's like to the dollar, right? It's like literally on the money, the charts. It's crazy how good the charts have become the past few months, right? No joke. We will go over all of that in this video, so stay tuned. With that said, guys, make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come join us. Come make some return on your money. And with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's check out what is going on right now with crypto and why I think it is a great buying opportunity. And we'll go over where you can buy, where you can sell throughout this video. And I'll show you why the charts are moving really synchronously to the way it's moving. And we're going to go over several cryptos that I think are worth investing in, that are really good cryptos to keep your eye on, especially not just for short term, but also long term as well. And of course, number one to me is Ethereum, ETH, and I'll tell you why. Because I think ETH is the future for payment platforms, right? I think we will switch to ETH eventually and get rid of everything, right? US dollar. Right now, it's really good. ETH is trading in the box. This is our box right here. If this box holds, all right, great, wonderful. We have 2 days here trading sideways. If we need 2 more days this box to hold. If it does, then it is a great buy, right? Because we are holding support levels right here at about 2,500, 2,600 is support right now, all right? And resistance right now is about 3,000 to about 3,200. This is your resistance from 3,000 to 3,200 is your resistance, right? Previous high, previous lows. We can go back to about 2100, 2300. That is possible. All right, that is the possibility. Look, last time it did drop to 2300, bounced. All right, so we are looking at our previous highs and previous lows just for Ethereum. And if the chart does break out of 3200, which it won't right now. Why? Because look at that. It is following the Bollinger Band perfectly. Look how crazy the Bollinger Band is being perfected on trade, right? If we look at it, look, it bounced right off the Bollinger. Let me move this price labels for you guys so you guys can see it much better. Look at that. We are just bouncing off the Bollinger Band, right? Bollinger Band here, boom, bounce. Bollinger Band here, boom, bounce, right? Bollinger Band is really good for crypto. It has been following really tightly at its bottoms, right? And at its tops, right? Bollinger Band has been doing marvelously on this, right? Tops and bottoms are just so easily distinguishable, and looking at them is perfect, right? So if you really think you don't want to buy crypto, ETH at least, until 2400, you would be pretty much spot on, because Bollinger Band is showing 2400 could be your bottom if it goes there, right? That's where I would aim if I was going to really go deep into crypto, right? That's one of my favorite. If you want to go with the OG Ethereum, and that's Bitcoin, the OGG. And if you want to just go straight to the OG and you got a lot of money to spend, hey, Bitcoin is definitely the coin for you, right? It's not the coin for me because I just expect to make a lot more return on Ethereum than Bitcoin itself. But Bitcoin is making some crazy moves. You just need a lot more cash flow to put in crypto. Right now, it's a bearish market on crypto as well. Not just stocks. Stocks are going down. Crypto has been going down as well, right? It's just no surprise. It's a no-brainer, right? As long as Bitcoin goes down, crypto goes down. SPY goes down, whole market goes down, right? And we're barely even went down, right? We're not even down that much. It's like a couple percentage, right? What is it, like 8 to 10% we're down on the year? Not a big deal, right? This is not a big deal, correct? This is just temporary correction. It's not even a market crash. It's just a correction, right? We look at this, right? We're just going through a correction. It's only 10% down. On the year, we are literally only 10% down on this market. So it's not even a big deal, right? Once we start hitting 10 to 20%, that's when it becomes pretty scary moment, right? When we really drop hard, right? Right now, we are holding. So it's not even something you should be worried about. Market's doing fine. Crypto is literally following the Bollinger Band, and Bitcoin is your OG, right? Same thing. It's a pretty much exact chart like Ethereum. If we put them side by side, we kind of can see that they are very, very similar, right? Look at that. I just went back. This is your Ethereum chart. This is your Bitcoin chart. Very, very pretty much side by side. You overlap them. You really can't tell the difference between these two, right? Bitcoin could be your future gold reserve, just like we have gold and the US dollar. We pretty much could put these two together, and Ethereum is like your purchasing power, your cash, right? This is your cash, right? Another really fine crypto I think is really good, and it could be another payment processor, and that is Solana. And then Solana is working like a charmer on crypto, right? It's like Ethereum. Literally, it is just following Ethereum drop by drop. It is just perfection on its lines, right? And I think anywhere around the $80 would be a great purchasing price, right? If you want to buy some, get it at $80, around 80, 81 to 82 if it goes there, which it can. It definitely can. I don't see why not. Let me put that price labels back, and you guys could see the pricing a little bit better, because we had 75 back then. That was just a drop in the bucket. Boop! And it dropped hard. And 106, look at that. Perfectly following the Bollinger Bands, right? Look at that. To the dot, right? It bounced right off the Bollinger Band several times. Even over here, it got really close. Target was about 122 over here, I believe, right? And it hit 121.97. So really pretty much on the dot, right? And another one of these fine art cryptos I've been looking at is Luna. And Luna is not following crypto whatsoever, right? It's just breaking out on its own. It had its own crazy breakout on this date right here on February 23rd. Luna broke out of the box and it became super bullish, right? It literally became super bullish. The 5 traded right above the 20. That is your blue line right here. And it broke out of the 20 moving average and it literally shot up, right? It went from about $55 to all the way around 96, $40 return on your money, pretty much. Damn, that is really, really cool, right? Luna is different, right? I wasn't a believer in Luna because I really liked Solana over Luna. And after this, I think Luna has its own types of breakouts going on, right? It's just not even following crypto, right? Look at that. It has a mind of its own right now. And Luna is pretty much another great crypto right now that I'm actually looking at, and I am loving it. I like it. And it's starting to turn a little bit bearish, right? Like, as we can see, we're getting a little bit close to the MACD crossing over, and the TSI getting really close. Histogram is getting weaker and weaker, and shifting down towards the bottom. And we pretty much said RSI is overextended. It is just too high. Time to sell. And look at that, perfectly following the RSI chart. And sold, right? People sold and made their money and got out, right? It is the way it is, right? And over here, it was oversold. People bought, went up, made some moolah, sold, and got out, right? And I really like it. I like Solana, and I am starting to like Luna now, right? And Luna, I think it's just still overbought. I would not buy this. This is not a buy here. This is the only one that I just said tonight in this video that it should not be a buy for you. Not at least until it goes back to like the 40s or 50s, right? I think that's where I think Luna is going to go back down to, right? Especially if the whole crypto market starts dumping again and going down. I don't see any reason why Luna will even hold its highs or even go any higher, right? It doesn't mean it's not going to. It's not possible that it can keep extending and going up, but I believe it will go back down just like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana. And these 4 cryptos are my top picks. These are the 4 cryptos that I really like and keep my eye on right now. And please don't waste your pennies and monies on Doge. I don't even think we can even see Doge here, right? There's no Doge. I think stock charts is like, Doge is garbage. I can't even find the ticker for it for Doge, which is weird. Oh, I found it finally. All right, look, this is crazy. Doge is just destruction, right? It's just death. All it does is go down. It doesn't even really bounce, right? You can't even get it back to 15 cents. That's the scary part. It goes up 1 penny, all right? It goes to 12 cents. And it moves back 1 penny, not even 14 cents. It doesn't complete it. It's just, it can't pass the 20-day moving average. It's just straight up shoots right back down. So stay away from this garbage. Buy your top 4 coins that I've mentioned tonight. Ethereum, Solana, Luna. Not Luna yet. Right now, Luna is very overpriced. I would not buy it. But Bitcoin is a good asset to buy as well. But hopefully we need the chart to hold. Right now we're still waiting for some confirmation as to it being a good buy, so we need it to hold right here a little bit. 2 more days is what I would give it. I think we are going to be good around this 3,600 to be a good purchasing price. Oh, sorry, it's actually 37,000 to about 38,000 for Bitcoin. And it's Ethereum is what I meant at 2,500, 2,600. Excuse me about that. So with that said, guys, you have your picks for the week and for the crypto market. It is a good investing opportunity. It is very liquidable. It moves fast, but you can make a lot of money in return as well. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys, some sells, some very interesting things related to the market that might help you. I also post the weekly earnings for the week. So come check us out on Instagram. Leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a question regarding a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, guys, do not miss out your chance on getting 3 free stocks right now. Not 1, not 2, but 3 stocks from WeBull. All you gotta do is sign up using the link in the description box below, and WeBull will give you 3 free stocks. 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of just $5 or more. WeBull will give you 3 total stocks, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $3,000. What are you waiting for? Get your 3 free stocks from WeBull. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty decent stocks as well. And of course, if you want another free stock, we also have Robinhood, which also gives out pretty decent stocks as well. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.